And the Supreme People's Court has briefed journalists at a news conference about a new 18-clause regulation governing the prosecution of food and drug cases. And the court spokesman Sun Jungong says over 13,000 cases concerning food and drug dispute were submitted to courts nationwide between 2010 and 2012. And the figure accounts for 6% of the total cases relating to consumers' rights. And Sun also noted the food and drugs cases have damaged consumers' interest and seriously impacted social stability. China formulated a new regulation to better protect consumers' rights. A new regulation will take effect on March the 15th. A new regulation brings clarity to the laws governing the scale of fake products, false endorsements, advertisements and online trade.